Hey, welcome to the email marketing and automation, or the messaging workflows section of our business builder. And this is what you see when you first arrive, and you'll see the statistics and any past campaigns that you've sent, email campaigns, and some quick links to connect to the domain name, add some subscribers, create some email lists, and also create some automation flows. So on the left-hand side, we can see the dashboard that we're in at the moment. We can see campaigns, where you can create email campaigns and also messaging campaigns, like SMS messages or WhatsApp or voice messages as well. And then we've got automations, where you can send emails or messages one after another in a set fashion. Then we've got your lists and subscribers. So here you'll see all your subscribers and all your email lists as well. You can have different lists and different segments too. So for example, you can just email the people that live in England, or just email the people that are tagged with a certain tag. Maybe you've purchased a product from you or have joined a class, for example. Then you've got the system emails, so you can go in and edit these. And these are the order shipped emails. If you get a new order, if the order's completed, things like that. So these are the emails that get sent out to your customers from your website. And then we've got some email templates that we've created. We've got quite a good variety of things already made for you, so you can just click in and edit them. And if you make your own, you can make your own and save them into your templates as well. And then finally, we've got the settings. So this is where I would start off if I were you. So first of all, you should add your domain name, and that's as simple as writing domain.com, and then so that'd be your website that you've got, and then having a email address. So maybe it's your name at domain.com, or maybe it's office or hello or something like that. So you type in your email address, click on send, and we will send you an email. Okay, so you need to go to that email and click on the link in there to confirm it, and then you'll be able to send emails from that email address. Okay, it's really simple. We'll send you an email. You go find the email in your inbox and click on the link. Next up, you should come into the brand details and type in your company name, your address, your sender name, the default email that gets sent, the reply to address as well, and the default system email that gets sent, for example, when people order from you and they get their order confirmation emails. Okay, so you should go around and fill that out as well. Those are the first two things you should do, and then we can jump back into the dashboard. So one of the first things you should really do is create a list. At the moment, we've set you up with a default list, but you can add a new one over here and say this is my weekly newsletter, right? Or maybe you want a list for your customers, yeah, or maybe you want a list for your students. Okay, so you can come and quickly create your lists, and then you can either add your subscribers one at a time. For example, type in a name and then choose a list, or you can import all of your subscribers as well. So you would choose here, for example, all my customers, click on import, and then you can import an CSV file. And then basically you would match up all the fields and get everyone sent into imported into your list. Okay. So once you've added your domain name and you've created a list and you've imported some of your contacts, or maybe you've set up a form on your builder and connected it to a list, then you can come in and start thinking about campaigns. So if we start a campaign here, you can choose between an email campaign or an SMS, WhatsApp, voice campaign. So it's basically the same kind of. So we'll start with an email campaign. My first email. And then we'll choose a regular campaign. when you get a bit more advanced, you can try an A/B split campaign where you would create multiple emails and it would send it out randomly to your list, and then it would figure out which one works the best. But I would recommend just sticking with regular campaigns for now. And again, you can go through here and choose one of the emails that you like the look of. So I'll choose whatever, this one. Again, your name, Ceramics, my address. Okay, so here we have the email builder, and it's a bit like the page builder that we've got in the website page builder. You can see here on the left hand side you've got some different blocks, like a button or a full screen image, or your logo and your menu. Different formats, right? Like two columns for your products. And we've got some countdown timers and things as well. So we can add in a countdown timer, for example, and then we can click here and say, it's going to count down till New Year's Eve, okay? And the people will see that as well in their email, which is kind of cool. So here as well, if you click on the logo, you can change your logo image. Just choose this one, make it a bit bigger. And then down here we can choose some of the products. So this is the first product ID, this is the second one. So we'll just change this to this one, for example. There we go. And you can edit all this and edit all the links. So here you can select the link where people should go to. That'd be to the classes page, or maybe you'd want it to go, this one to go to the store and go to like the Raku firing workshop, for example. So again, it's really easy to edit and create beautiful emails. And then you click on next once you're happy with it. You'd select your list. So for example, this one, click on next. And then here you'd add your subject, who it's from, your email address, and send a test email. I'd really recommend sending a test email before you send out to all of your people, just to make sure you've not got any typos or mistakes or anything. So once you've sent one out, you'll be able to see all of the information here, and you'll be able to see who's clicked it, who's subscribed, who's unsubscribed, what's the open rate, what's the click-through rate, and all of that good stuff, okay? So then we come into automations. So automations are emails or messages that get sent out automatically. You can see here your active or your drafts, and we can create a new one straight away. You can either create a blank one or abandoned cart automation. So we'll start with that first. So when someone goes through your shopping cart and doesn't continue through with the purchase, they will get this series of emails. Okay, so the first email, then we'd wait a day, send another email, wait 2 days, send another email, wait another day. Okay, and again, this is automatically set up for you, so when the contact abandons checkout cart. But if you're creating a new automation, you can choose any of these different triggers, right? So if someone gets added to an email list, if someone has a tag added, if someone makes a purchase of a specific product or any purchase in general, if the order status gets changed from, completed to cancelled, or anything like that, or if someone clicks a link on the email, absolutely anything can start an automation. And then here as well, when you click on the plus, you can get different options. So you can delay like that, we delay for a day. We can send an email, send a notification, SMS, WhatsApp, send a voice message, or you can do some other stuff. So like you can add a tag to the person, you can remove a tag, update the contact property, unsubscribe them, start another automation as well, or trigger a webhook if you want to get more advanced and integrate with some different applications. And again, so these are the emails. You can just go through and edit the emails using the same email builder as before. And once you're happy, click on save. Don't forget to fill out this information as well, okay? So just save that, good. And then here, the analytics, you can see how many people have gone through and opened everything and clicked everything. And if you set a goal as well, then, for example, purchase a product or join a page, then that'll display there as well. Once you're happy with it, you can turn the automation on or off. So here we'll turn it on. We're missing some information, so we'll turn it off again. Okay. So there we've got campaigns that you send out manually, and we've got automations that are sent out automatically as soon as something gets triggered. Okay. Your lists and subscribers, you can click on a subscriber, it goes into the contact section, and you can see all of their information, see all of their activity, see what kind of emails got sent and orders and appointments and everything else like that. And then if you come back into list and subscribers, you can also see the lists here. You can also filter everyone there as well. So have a play around, have a look at our email templates, create a new email template if you want to make your own. You can do that really easily, and then you've got a consistent style of messaging. So that's the overview basically of the messaging and workflows tab. And if you need any help at all, don't forget to check out the help section down here. We've got some pages about everything in here. You can also ask in the community form, or you can send us a support ticket. Okay? Brilliant. Thanks a lot.